I'm watching the game in real time with Duke and NC State, and I think we all have opinions on Grayson Allen, but we don't really know what's going on behind the scenes. But you thought strong enough to tweet out that you think he should sit down the rest of the year. What did you see that would make you say that, and do you still feel that way?
Yeah, and it's more take a leave of absence. I'm not saying quit on his team, quit on his brothers. I'm saying I see a kid, when he's at the best version of himself, that's what Coach K always talks about, the best version of yourself. When he's at the best version of himself, he's aggressive, he's attacking, he's got a bounce, he's got an energy, he's got a passion. I don't see that in him. Basketball is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be a release. It's just supposed to be a way to get away from everything. It doesn't seem, watching him play, and I've been a big Grayson Allen fan. I love the way he played. He's not that same guy. I mean, that's just the way it is. So sometimes you got to take a step back to take two steps forward. You know, like, and to me, that would probably be maybe good for him, maybe good for their team. Because look, I work with two Duke guys. We can't go anywhere, 5, 6, 10 times a day. They got to answer, what's wrong with Grayson Allen? What would you do? How was it handled? Do you think those Duke players are dealing with the same thing? Do all those freshmen that have their own issues, that have, trying to fit into playing college basketball, learning how to compete, realizing it's not as easy as it looks on TV? But to me, it really came from, I look at the kid and I don't see the same passion and energy, his body language. Forget about all the stuff, other stuff that's happened. And then him walking through another team's huddle, to me, forget about I defended him at the BC thing. I thought it was nothing. The Florida State thing, I thought it was nothing. You're not walking through someone else's timeout. People say it happens all the time. No, it doesn't happen all the time. It doesn't happen all the time. It was a bad decision, but that's not the reason I said that he should step away. He should step away because he obviously is not the best version of himself. And what does he need to get there? I don't know. But it seems like what he's doing right now is not working.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.